Pierce Zoe's ears. We have some sterile 18 gauge syringe needles. I have iodine, alcohol. The earrings are sitting in rubbing alcohol right now, so 70% rubbing alcohol. I have a cork that I cut into pieces, and I've cleaned those surfaces with alcohol and iodine first, and then with alcohol, and that's going to go on the back of her ear when I first pierce it. So, but the first thing we're going to do is clean her ears. We're going to do iodine front and back, and then alcohol front and back to wipe that up. We've got her hair bobby pinned out of the way, except Melissa, I need you to come fix this bobby pin. It's not out of the way.
Melissa, there's another bobby pin right here.
Alright, so that's the iodine. Let that sit on there for just a moment. It already has been, I guess. And then we'll wash it off with the alcohol, because iodine sanitizes better than alcohol, but iodine stings. So when the needle punctures the skin, it would carry some of the iodine into the skin. And, that will just be won't hurt, you know. It won't be dangerous, but it will sting. So wipe that off with the alcohol, and that will dry also faster than the iodine stuff. So the surface of her skin should be pretty sterile now. Here's what we want. So we're going to let this dry a little bit. And then I'm going to mark the center of her earlobes. And mark it. It's just going to be with the pen.
What you use the wet eraser?
Oh, should we?
Try it on her finger or something.
Oh, got it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright.
When I got my ears pierced, the lady held up a mirror and asked if I liked where the marker was showing.
Okay, we could do that. You want to see?
Sure. Jane, you want to go grab the little mirror above Baba's drawers in the red coat?
There's multiple little
There might
mirrors.
be another one there too. Yeah.
Where is it? Above Baba's drawers. In the red coat.
Yep.
Climb over.
Let me see. Look at me. Let's just see.
Does it seem like even this way? So classmates whose ears got pierced like this. Or like this.
You can tell me.
Okay. Is it here or here?
At Claire's, they'll pierce both your ears at once. Have 2 employees, one on each ear.
You need to pause it or something and later.
The way you draw an earring is you glue a piece of paper to your ear and then draw.
Israel, time to come down, boy.
Okay.
You good?
They're almost
Alright. So I'm just going to squeeze this for a bit
We're not almost done.
is that uncomfortable?
Slightly.
Good.
Getting the blood out so it doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
Are you going to pierce that one?
Well, it's not a matter of hurting, it's a matter of bleeding.
Is that what it is?
The pressure will help to numb the nerves.
That's nice.
I didn't have a needle.
Wait, where's the needle? Did you already poke it? Did you poke it yet?
Nope, not yet.
Your dad said you could stay up here, Israel? Cool.
Oh, dear. We're gonna like go behind the counter and then peek up and make sure.
All right.
Don't flinch.
Okay. Yep.
Try not to anyway.
You need to hold really still.
Try saying.
For me.
You're just like this, and then well, he's like, oh, he's ready. He's ready, Israel. Oh, dear. Oh, why don't you go up?
Nice. You did great.
Oh.
Okay. Just gonna leave that in for a minute.
Good job.
Did it hurt? I didn't believe it.
Now you have to leave that in for 8 weeks.
No.
Even when you're sleeping and doing jujitsu.
No jujitsu on these.
They're so fat. They're so
Hey, come over here. Did you see that?
Yes.
Do you want to see this one?
Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, this part of it. Ready? Wait, this machine not exactly. This is not the needle. Okay, don't like. Ready?
Okay. Just a few more moments here.
Hi-ho! I know.
All right.
Hey, Shy, be quiet. Shy.
Oh, that's not yours.
Here.
It's Kyle's. You forgot to say. It's Kyle's too.
I can't even see it. I got an embarrassing. Okay, good.
Spin this around. Spin
Zoe has to bring.
this one around a little bit.
Gosh. Oh, they look so painful. No.
They look great.
Stuck through her ears. Thank you for that. She knows she did her ears
Okay.
first.
I'm going to take these out and let the alcohol
You can't take it.
evaporate off of these.
It looks like you have like dwarf ears. Did you put on dwarf ears and then you get your ears pieced? So thank you.
These are the earrings that she picked.
No, they're not
Beautiful
very big,
opal.
but they give you your ears
studs.
pierced.
Very, very nice.
So
Very good choice.
I
I'm
saw
happy
Madison
with
have
those.
her ears pierced.
Those are the ones you get to wear for 6 to 8
weeks.
weeks or whatever.
It's 4 to 6.
4 to 6,
It's 6 to 8 for getting pierced up here, but for both piercings.
but only 4 to 6 down
Only
in your
4 to
lobe.
6. At least normally.
She's proven she can take care of them because she did a good job with her braces.
Look.
No blood or anything.
Oh, you
Good.
pulled it out?
No, no.
Oh.
I'm just twisting them.
Is there a retwist?
What did she say?
She said no.
No.
A squishy lip gloss.
Okay. Just a few minutes here to let these dry. They don't sting.
I don't want it to get lost. This is a big bag, isn't it, Hope?
Where did Kyle go?
I don't know.
That's not sanitary.
We're not piercing that.
Oh, no.
What do you do? Use mouthwash first or something?
I don't know.
If you're gonna pierce your tongue,
What do you have to do?
use mouthwash or
Yeah,
something.
no. Iodine. There's teeth and I don't know what they do.
Iodine.
I never want to get my tongue pierced. Ever.
Never say never.
Go out of here if you're going to cry.
You might change your mind when you're a rebellious 17-year-old.
Why would you fish your tongue? Like you like poke the bottom of your mouth when
No,
you're like.
it's a bad idea.
No.
There are much cuter things to pierce.
Yes. Like yours. Or your nose even. Just like this. Not a bull ring.
All
Never
right.
do a bull ring.
You ready?
Yep.
I'm taking it out.
Come over here.
You don't need to wait for me though. If I miss it, it's fine.
Take the back off.
Do you want it up or down? Up and down. I don't want to get my ears pierced, mommy kid. You're always gonna be a kid.
That's not true.
Not always, but we
Sorry.
always be the mother's baby. And Zoe still catch you. Yeah. She's 12, but you're always your mom's gonna
needle.
Yeah, it's probably a relief actually because or actually you get me that the towel.
Oh my god. There's like red under the There's red like right here.
So you're taking the cork off first?
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So pretty. I wish my ears were already pierced, but they didn't have the earrings in it. So I could just put it in. I'm not gonna get
Oh,
it out.
sorry.
Don't do that.
No, to be loud.
And so what?
And take a picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, give her the mirror.
You got your ears pierced?
I like it a
Let
lot.
me see. Look at this. There's the other side. Nice.
You got her ears pierced?
A little bit of blood there. So I need you
I love
to,
horse in my life.
yeah. So you've got to,
Can I cover these needles?
yeah.
This
one. Look all the way off. Okay. Okay. So